All right, guys, we have today the first ever 35-ply skate deck.
I said I wanted a stack of pancakes, man. Not...
The Carlos jokes coming now on CD. All right, guys, so we're gonna play a game of skate. And this is a 35-ply skate deck. This is as stupid as it gets. Does it get stupider than this?
It's about as heavy as it gets as far as putting 5 boards together.
This is just anything goes. 5 boards stacked on top of each other, Rochambeau. Winner wins, loser dies.
Full park or flat?
Whatever you want, Fetty.
Snip. Oh, I'm out. Jeez, that was an easy out.
Swipe.
What do you want, Fetty?
What?
Full park or flat?
Flat.
I love when Fetty's so pumped for a video, he can't even breathe. Wow, do you hear that? Okay, for my first trick, I'm gonna do a front side power slide.
All right, it was actually a front side revert, Aaron.
Okay, front side revert. Watch your toes.
Oh, God. That weighs way more than I thought.
Fetty, get up. Get it up there. We just got Carlos a letter. What are you doing?
I didn't know if he was trying to trick me or not.
I can't even give the guy a high five. He thinks I'm trying to trick him. All right, backside power slide. This is a revert. Yeah.
You are just so talented.
There's very few tricks you can do on this. It's so heavy. It's not.
You took that down like a champ.
Fetty cheats every time. It's just nothing but cheats.
It weighs just as much as I do. Hey.
I literally think this board is heavier than Carlos.
It is. He's 115 pounds. This is 115 and a half
You can
pounds.
sleep on 20.
Oh my good glory!
This hits me in the shin, I quit life. Ow, hit my toe.
See, Fetty tried a feeble, and right at the beginning of the rail, his board completely stopped, and then his shin landed and grinded across the entire rail. His whole shin is grinded. I mean, next time, wax your shin.
There you go. Dang, I think the hardware just broke.
This is my game right here.
Oh, I hit that too. Oh my God.
You're gonna have to go a little harder than that, Aaron.
Dang it. Okay, Nollie Shove-It.
Yeah, Fetty. I'm afraid of you guys launching it back because I don't want to get my ankles destroyed. He just said he figured it out.
Oh, they just figured it out. Okay. Figure this out. I'm only trying this once in my entire life. I'm going that way into the sun. Oh, wow.
You will literally sprain your ankle before you land that.
Oh, really? Is that a challenge?
Yeah. That's actually a smart move.
He was sweating on that.
I really was.
That second one got up.
Yeah, full blown.
Ow.
Ooh, I'm pretty sure you're gonna break the ground. Are you okay?
My ankles are not good for this.
Watch Carlos kickflip, heel flip, nollie heel flip, nollie
Tray
kickflip,
flip.
tray
Someone
flip.
tray flips it, I'll be beyond
You will? Beyond what?
impressed. Are you bleeding?
Oh my God, that thing weighs a ton.
All right, kids. Don't try this at home. Oh!
Thank you. Thank you. I was waiting for someone to do that. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
It's like if you have to carry your own twin brother. That's what it's like right now, dude.
Pretty much. Wow, Aaron.
Jeez. Troy missed me.
Guaranteed you can quad flip after this video.
Yeah, at least double flip.
Think you could quad flip after you skate this board?
Probably, dude.
This is getting really intense here, people.
Whoa! How did the smallest man beat you to it? Come on, Aaron.
Of course he had to land it. Of course. Of course he did.
Classic Carlos. Why are you like winded after that?
Because it weighs just as much as me.
Oh no. Stay there for a little while.
It's one of those days.
He said it's one of those days.
It is one of those days.
That was smart. Well done.
I gotta come back just a little bit.
Had to get that out of the way. Messed.
What? It's an A.
I almost want to like, have more weight on my back. Somebody should just sit on my back while I'm doing this. It'd be easier.
There's no sunshine when she's gone.
That's a T for Carlos.
Those little legs. Almost broke them off. For some reason, Troy messes me up every go. It's always Troy.
Stop moving, man.
You know what? He looks like, what did I do?
Oh, that was truly messed.
Yeah, we're playing dirty now. I didn't know we were playing dirty. I'll do some late flips.
It's like if you hesitate at all on anything, you're done.
You have one more try, Carlos.
I know. I'm okay with that.
You got this. Wow.
It's no big deal. No big deal. What? Not even gonna dance? Not even gonna do a little victory dance?
The 5-layer
Maybe
board
he
is
doesn't
just
even
too
care.
much for such a small man.
It is. Let me go get on the leg master in about a week. I'll come back and we'll do this whole video again, okay?
Humble man, humble man.
I don't know how I'm feeling.
Whoa. Whoa, my God. Wait, hold up. I just saw the look on Fetty's face right there.
What?
And it was pure joy. It's like the second he starts winning, he's
first time.
so into it.
I better take him out. We're all tied up. We're all tied up. No big deal.
Oh, dude, that was actually pretty close. Oh, that was surprising. Dang, Aaron. T.
It's okay. I got tray revert still.
I forgot my ankle was too bad to try that.
Yeah.
It's gonna hit me in the shin.
No,
That was
it's not.
good. I mean, you guys are watching.
I would say, I don't want to say bad.
That is T to T.
Okay, tray revert. Get out of there, Troy. It's all down to this trick. Wow, Troy! Watch this. One try with no Troy. Watch.
Damn.
Got the shot.
Oh!
Oh, where's Troy?
Whoa,
Is that there?
whoa. Look at how far he is. Aaron, stop practicing. Hey!
All right, Troy, come back. Troy, come back and shoot me. Troy, get in there. Troy, come on.
You just get right up
Slid
in
me
there.
back
Right
in there.
up in there.
Right up in there.
And I just need to hear that snap right when I snap. I just needed Troy. It's all I just needed Troy.
Is it cool?
It's actually the sickest looking varial flip photo I've ever taken.
Oh!
What a game we got on our hands here, people.
Ooh!
I didn't know what to do.
Why are you guys like staring each other down right now? What is going on, man?
This is a battle to the death.
I'm
At the
telling you.
beginning of the video, we said the loser dies. Oh, I guess it's Carlos.
Carlos dies.
Oh! Holy God! Oh! It missed. The FP socks missed them.
Oh! That is definitely promising.
It's time to take him out. There's no sunshine when she's gone. It would have been great if you would have just missed that varial flip and lost.
It's like you're a rag doll.
I feel like.
Yeah, that's good. I'm not gonna lie, I think you got that.
I do, but I really don't want to land it. Game over.
Oh, thank you, 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 thank you. Each and every one of you, you guys are awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a blast making it, so we hope that you had a blast watching it. Click right here for all the other videos in this playlist, and right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com and learn how to skateboard. It's really important to us for you guys to be learning how to skateboard, so go right here, brailleskateboarding.com, and learn how to skateboard. Get all your skateboard gear, everything you need to know. If you guys are not already subscribed, definitely click that subscribe button, leave that like button, share this video, and leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you think about this video. What should we do next? I'll see you tomorrow.
Carlos, hit the 5.